How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get six-pack abs for beginners, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. To get six-pack abs for beginners, there's two main important things that are required for you to get six-pack abs. The number one is obviously your diet. This is the one that people talk about all the time. The only issue about diet is you don't actually have to eat super healthy. You just have to get to a low body fat percentage. And a low body fat percentage is determined by reducing your caloric intake. It actually has nothing to do with your diet. So you can get six-pack abs. The easiest way to do that is to track your calories and to slowly reduce them. That's how you're going to lose weight super easy. To actually get the abs, you actually have to build muscle in your ab area. And this is something that just completely goes by people. Like, they think, okay, if I lose weight, I get to a low body fat percentage, my abs will automatically show. That's not actually true because your abs are a muscle. If you want to have really shredded abs, like the ones you see in the magazines, the ones you see on TV, stuff like that, those are developed muscles. Those muscles have been trained, have been built. You can't just lose weight if you've never built your abs and start to see a chiseled six-pack. That's not how it works at all. And that's what a lot of people are seeing. They're getting to these low body fat percentages, like 7-8%, and they're like, my abs still don't show. Like, I can't see my abs because you have no muscle built up. The best way to build muscle for your abs is by doing overhead pressing movements and holding things over your head for periods of time, like a minute or two. So you get a dumbbell, whatever, hold it directly over your head like this and hold it there for a minute. Do 5 sets of this. You will notice that your abs will start to grow by doing this. And the best thing about it is it's very easy to progress on this exercise. Just grab a bigger dumbbell and just keep doing this. If you can hold it over your head for a minute, then just keep adding more and more weight. If you don't believe me that this works, look at professional strongmen. All of their training, or 95% of it, is lifting things overhead. And their abs are shredded. I've seen professional strongmen that are 30% body fat and their abs are chiseled. It's insane. Their abs are super developed, and it is because of overhead lifting. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.